right, I'm here with Harvey Buchholz. Harvey just competed in the air guns competition, which was presented by Comcast and the Heinz Endowment. Harvey, how did you feel you did?
Pretty good. I think I did all right. Hit a lot of black, so that's good.
All right, excellent. And so what's been the biggest challenge for you in the air rifle competition?
I'm blind.
All right, that's pretty obvious there with the challenges that can present. But how do you sort of overcome that?
I don't know. I just try and look. I'm legally blind. I could still see a little light and stuff in front of me. Look at that target and just shoot.
And how do they sort of help you? I mean, do you have any coaching going on during the competition to sort of help out with that?
Yes, I had a coach.
And what kind of instruction did they provide to help you out?
He just told me where I hit. So the next shot, I knew where I shouldn't go.
All right. And is this your first time competing in the games?
Yes, it is.
How are you liking it so far?
That's great. I love it.
What's been your favorite thing so far about the games?
I think the whole thing. I mean, the camaraderie we have with all the guys, and it's just the whole thing is just fantastic. Win or lose, I don't care. It's just the idea of being here with everybody.
Absolutely. All right, well, this is Kevin Zuckerman from xable.com. We're here at the 31st National Veterans Wheelchair Games, and it's been presented to you by Paralyzed Veterans of America and the VA.